In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Excel to JPG. If you want to turn part of an Excel sheet into an image, there are two simple ways to do it. The first option uses Microsoft Excel together with Paint, and it's great when you only want to save a specific section, like a table, chart, or selected cells. The second option is an online method, and for many people, it's the fastest because it only takes a few clicks. Let's start with the easiest built-in method in Excel. First, open your Excel file. Once it's open, select the cells, table, chart, or exact area that you want to convert into a JPG image. Take a moment here to make sure only the content you need is highlighted, because that selected area is what will be copied. Next, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy it. After that, go to the Home tab in Excel, click the small drop-down arrow under Copy, and choose Copy as Picture. A small window will appear with a couple of options. Select as shown on screen and then choose Picture. This tells Excel to copy your selection as an image instead of normal spreadsheet data. Then click OK. Now open Paint on your Windows computer. Once Paint is open, press Ctrl and V to paste the image. You should now see your Excel content displayed like a picture. From here, click File, then Save As and choose JPEG Picture with the JPG file format. Finally, save the file to your preferred location. That's it. Your Excel content has now been converted into a JPG image. This method works especially well if you only need one part of the spreadsheet rather than the entire workbook. It also gives you a quick chance to visually check the image in Paint before saving it. If you want an even faster option, especially for full file conversion, you can use an online tool. Go to the Aspos Excel to JPG conversion page in your web browser. Once the site loads, upload your Excel file. Then wait while the conversion finishes. After that, simply download the JPG image. For most people, this website method is the fastest because the process is basically just upload, convert, and download. It's simple and efficient when you don't want to manually copy content out of Excel. So if you need more control over exactly what gets saved, use the Excel and Paint method. If you want speed and convenience, use the website method, and that's how to convert Excel to JPG.